Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best gloves in a bottle is probably one of the most innovative solutions for anyone who struggles with dry, irritated, or sensitive skin, especially when on the go, offering a unique shielding lotion that works like a second skin to protect against environmental irritants and harsh chemicals without feeling greasy or sticky, making it an essential companion for travelers, healthcare professionals, gardeners, and anyone whose hands take a beating. Number 5. Gloves in a Bottle Psoriasis Eczema Relief Hand Lotion. This lotion moisturizes dry, irritated skin caused by harsh conditions. It enhances your skin's outer layer, allowing it to heal naturally from within. Experience hydration that goes beyond the surface, promoting healthy skin for 4 to 12 hours. It stays on, providing protection against everyday toxins. Protect your skin from environmental toxins, sanitizers, and frequent hand washing. It's perfect for sensitive skin, helping to prevent allergies and rashes. Get unparalleled relief for dry, cracked hands and feet. This fast-absorbing, non-greasy lotion is recommended by skin care experts worldwide. Made in the USA, this lotion is hypoallergenic, vegan, and cruelty-free. All ingredients are on the FDA's most safe list for your peace of mind. Find relief from conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis. It helps your skin heal from within, providing comfort and restoration. What we like. This product creates a protective shield on your skin, lasting for hours without washing off. If you have sensitive skin or are frequently exposed to irritants like sanitizers or harsh soaps, you should consider this. It's ideal for those seeking a barrier against environmental toxins and conditions like eczema or psoriasis. What people say. Not at all greasy and is effective even after washing dishes. Provides excellent relief to cracked dry skin. Good for people in the medical field that need to hand wash multiple times per day. Makes your hands feel smooth. It's extremely moisturizing and helps chapped skin heal quickly and stay healed. Number 4. Gloves in a Bottle 6-Pack Shielding Lotion. Are you struggling with dry, itchy skin? Our shielding lotion is designed to provide relief and comfort. It's perfect for soothing irritation caused by everyday factors. Experience a unique formula that is both greaseless and fragrance-free. This means you get effective moisturization without any unpleasant residue or scent. This lotion works to restore your skin's natural barrier. It moisturizes and helps your skin heal from within, enhancing its natural integrity. It's specially formulated to help with conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis. Find comfort and relief for your irritated skin. Shield your skin from the damaging effects of harsh weather, irritants, and soaps. It helps maintain your skin's health and resilience. Enjoy gentle yet effective moisturization that supports your skin's healing process. It leaves your skin feeling soft, smooth, and protected. What we like. Get a great value with this multi-pack of shielding lotion, perfect for keeping your skin protected at home and on the go. If you prefer a fragrance-free option and need a greaseless formula that still offers long-lasting protection, this is a fantastic choice. It's suitable for anyone who wants consistent skin defense without added scents. What people say. It made my hands soft, helped my nails and put a very slight shine on my hands. It is not sticky after it absorbs. It is very easy to use and I like the packaging. It has a silky effect. This lotion is saving our skin barrier without being greasy or sticky. It doesn't have much of a smell and it absorbs quickly. Number 3. USA-made natural organic self-tanner mousse kit. Achieve a natural-looking glow that boosts your confidence. Our product delivers an even, smooth finish that perfectly mimics a real tan, without any orange tones. Experience an effortless application with our velvety soft mitt. It works seamlessly with the mousse to provide flawless, streak-free results every time. Get a beautiful tan in just 6 hours. The lightweight foam absorbs quickly, developing into a gorgeous color without any delay. Our formula is made in the USA with natural and organic ingredients. It's free from dyes, toxins, and junk, ensuring it's kind to your skin. Enjoy a clean application without the typical tanning smell. This combo won't stain your clothes or sheets, leaving you with a fresh, comfortable glow. What we like. Achieve a beautiful, natural-looking tan without the orange hue, thanks to its streak-free application. If you're looking for a sunless tanner made with natural and organic ingredients that develops quickly and smells fresh, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want a flawless, confidence-boosting glow without harsh chemicals. What people say. The mousse texture is super easy to apply and the glove makes all the difference because it leaves the color even, without lines and without staining the hands. The tone was very natural, nothing orange, and I was able to build it until I reached the level of tan I wanted. It also dries quickly, leaves no strong odor and does not stain my clothes or my sheets. Number 2. UNIHIMAL 15-Way Organizer Golf Cart Bag. Introducing the UNIHIMAL Golf Cart Bag, designed with 15 individual compartments. Keep your clubs perfectly organized and protected from damage. Don't let the rain stop your game. This bag includes a dedicated rain cover to keep your clubs and gear dry, no matter the weather. Designed for convenience, it features user-friendly handles for easy carrying and placement on your golf cart. Enjoy seamless movement on the course. Crafted from robust, abrasion-resistant materials, this bag is built for durability. It offers long-lasting protection for all your golf essentials. Beyond its 15 club dividers, you'll find ample extra storage pockets. Conveniently carry apparel, shoes, gloves, and all your other golfing necessities. What we like. Organize your golf clubs with ease using this bag's 15-way divider system, ensuring each club is protected and accessible. If you play in various weather conditions, the included rain cover is a lifesaver, keeping your gear dry. For golfers who value durability, ample storage, and effortless portability on the course, this bag is an excellent choice. What people say. Well made, good looking, and well worth the price. Tons of space. Not too heavy but has great organization and protects all the clubs. Strap is very nice and very stable on the course or back of cart. Great golf cart bag. Very well designed bag with plenty of storage pockets. Really attractive appearance. 15 dividers for clubs, keeps everything organized. Number 1. Newbealer 1200W Portable Clothes Steamer. Introducing a powerful 2-in-1 device that combines the functions of an iron and a steamer. It heats up to 302 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 seconds, making wrinkle removal quick and easy. Enjoy worry-free steaming from any angle with its 360-degree leak-proof technology. It offers 2 steam settings and a dry ironing feature for perfect results on all fabrics. Its ceramic sole plate with diamond coating glides smoothly over delicate fabrics. The improved heating panel and creative steam nozzle design ensure a steady and consistent steam output. With a large 120 ml detachable water tank, you can enjoy up to 15 minutes of continuous steaming. This makes it perfect for home, travel, or even boutique use. Its 90 degrees rotating head and pointed tips make ironing tricky areas like collars and cuffs simple. The compact and portable design allows for easy wrinkle removal both vertically and horizontally. Give the gift of effortless ironing with this versatile steamer. It comes with useful accessories and is an ideal present for any occasion. What we like. This garment steamer heats up in just 15 seconds, offering 2 steam levels for efficient wrinkle removal on various fabrics. If you need a portable solution for quick touch-ups at home or while traveling, its compact and versatile design is ideal. It's perfect for anyone who wants to achieve wrinkle-free clothes effortlessly and quickly, with the convenience of both vertical and horizontal steaming. What people say. It heats up quickly and gets the job done. I can steam 1 to 3 heavily wrinkled pieces of clothing before needing to refill. It also works as an iron too, and I'm not afraid of getting water stains or drips on my clothes when using it. I make direct contact with the clothes as opposed to other steamers you just hover over them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.